But we got to get it moving, so let's kick it off. First story here. Apparently, we have a visual. We have caught a visual on the upcoming Nothing Phone. The Nothing Phone 1. We know what it's gonna look like. We know what it's gonna look like. It's going to look like a bird.
It comes with a bird.
That's right. That's a special feature. There's one more thing. You get what is that? A cockatoo? What is that bird?
I have no idea.
It doesn't matter.
What do you think about this? Just like the image of it. What?
What do I think? I think it looks better than I expected it to look. Obviously, it's a real white thing going on. Mm-hmm. The top section is kind of iPhone-ish.
iPhone 10.
iPhone-y, iPhone-ish.
2 lenses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just, I don't know. And also the shape of it, the overall shape, the way the curves go,
right,
and the flat edges. Mm-hmm. That said, it's got a sort of cyber, sort of futuristic, sort of Blade Runner. I don't know if I need the bird.
I think that's also very Apple-like, right?
I don't know if I need the bird.
That's their thing. They had the ladybugs before with the bugs.
I know,
and the praying mantis.
But the thing is, I am already scarred.
Scarred?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
What happened?
I was attacked by one of these birds.
There's no way. Don't listen.
No, I'm scarred. I have preconceptions about animals and tech because of TELUS commercials, local telco company. Mm-hmm. They use animals to market everything. It's a green
Geico.
Frog. It's a color. No, not Geico. No.
I'm saying Geico also.
No. Because it's always a different one with this one. And they put it next to a phone specifically. Look at that. There's a penguin and an iPhone. And they're like, don't you want the iPhone? The penguin wants the iPhone. And then it's a bird and it's a chameleon. Or as my daughter says, chameleon. Anyway, so they've done it. I think that's the exact bird they use. But I can't expect nothing to know about this. This is a local carrier. And it's a local type of promo. Shout out Saul. It's his birthday today. He says he's 22. That's crazy. Been watching since he was 17.
Happy birthday.
That's what I try to explain to you guys. You guys are like, well, times change, things change, flavors change. You used to like strawberry, now you like vanilla. Enough time passes. Name a thing you're a fan of today, Mo, that you were just as much a fan of 10 years ago. Go ahead, Mo. That's what I thought. There is no thing. Anyway, let's talk about this Nothing Phone because they teased and people were sick of being teased and they just wanted to see it. Oh, the dogs have decided to break all the rules, and that did not last long. We're still on the first story here, and that was very ambitious of you, and there's a full-out battle that's already ensued, and now we will see the consequences.
Because they're having so much fun.
The consequences of those actions. As
I'll post a video.
Mo takes it into his own hands. Even though the Nothing Phone 1's launch is still about a month away, the company has already begun to show what the device will look like to help generate hype. It's a little bit at a time. They're employing those old OnePlus tactics. Of course, you got Carl involved, and of course, that's what you would do because you had success in the first place. Can you deliver the same marketing strategy alongside the value for money component that made OnePlus famous? Mm-hmm. So they just give us a picture. That's what we have right now. And they say the event starts 26 days, 18 hours, 25 minutes. I'll be checking out this event. I have to say, like, based on, you know, my love of the teenage engineering.
Yes.
I have love.
You do.
Just a couple of normal guys.
I was wondering if you were going to bring that up today.
On a normal day.
Talking about love.
Having a little conversation. Talking about love.
Oh, man. We say nothing about this. We just move forward.
No, we don't. Listen, we're filming a separate video. Very good video. No goofing. Mm-hmm. I'm looking at the camera, not you, Mo. No goofing. Looking at you guys, there's
What
no
does that
goofing. Well, you never know.
Okay.
You never know. And Mo turns to me and he says,
Just out of nowhere.
out of nowhere, he says, Lou, people have died for love. And I said, hey, man. I said, whoa, you can't just. I'm trying to do work here. And he was
very passionate.
He was sincere. The thing he wasn't saying it in a joking manner.
Yeah.
And I had to.
You got chills?
I had to reconfigure. I had to gather myself.
Yeah.
I needed to be gathered
Right.
after that. Imagine that, guys. Somebody approaches you. Just think about it for a second. People have died for love, Lou. It's like, wow. And people might think I'm making it up. I swear to God, I am not making it up right now.
No, this is true.
This is true, exactly. Yeah. This is true, and you'll find out more on the next episode
Of Lou Later.
Nothing phone looks good. Looks teenage engineering, which is good. Which is good. Because I was worried that it wasn't going to look teenage engineering enough, but I'm getting the feeling now. It is just an image. It's just the back of the phone. Unfortunately, the transparent thing has followed through, but in a tasteful way where it's not overwhelming. Good job so far. It's one photo, Mo. Let's not get carried away.